News break at this hour now as the probe in Sushant's death case intensifies. Topmost sources have now confirmed to Republic that the AIIMS report is not yet ready, clearly busting the fake narrative and propaganda that is being spinned by pro-Ria media, claiming that the forensic report on Sushant Singh Rajput case is out. But the topmost sources have now told Republic from AIIMS have confirmed that the report will take 2 more weeks of time and that the reporting on suicide theory is false. We'll now go across to my colleague Piyush joining us live with the latest on this. Piyush, there has been a false narrative out there, a propaganda that has been spread and trying to be spinned by the pro-Ria media that clearly has been bust by top sources who have now told Republic as to how it will take 2 more weeks of time for the AIIMS to really bring out with the reports, because there was some section of the media reporting as to how there might be a preliminary report that is out.
Well, absolutely. There was a narrative which was being built by some channels who also took interview with interview of Ria Chakraborty, and they were pushing the theory of Ria Chakraborty. And at the same time, it was somewhere indicating that it was nothing but PR interviews which she was giving to these channels. And these channels were also pushing this preliminary report, which they were claiming that it was from the Forensic Science Department of AIIMS. But now AIIMS has come out with a statement. Forensic Department has come out with a statement by saying that they will take at least 2 more weeks to come out with their final report. On the other side, not only a forensic team but also CBI in a statement yesterday said the same thing. And let us also tell to our viewers the exact statement which was made by CBI, because CBI had also busted the claims of these media channels. The CBI in its statement had said, and I quote, so CBI is conducting investigation related to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput in a systematic and professional way. It continues to add that certain media reports attributed to CBI investigation are speculative and not based on facts. It is reiterated that as a matter of policy, CBI does not share any details of ongoing investigation. CBI spokesperson or any team member has not shared any details with any media. The details being reported and attributed to CBI are not credible. The CBI continues to add that it is requested that media may please confirm details from CBI spokesperson before quoting CBI. Let us also tell to our viewers that a theory was was floated by these PR channels in which they had said that CBI is now investigating the suicide angle. They are not anymore investigating the murder angle. So looking at what these PR channels were attributing to CBI, it released its statement. And now on the same line, similar line, forensic team of AIIMS has also said that it will take at least 2 more weeks to come out with its report. This somewhere tells us that how there are some PR channels who are now pushing the theory which is being pushed forth by Ria Chakraborty. We also saw that there were only few channels, there were few channels who were, who took PR interviews of Ria Chakraborty, in which no tough questions were put forth before Ria Chakraborty. But we'll have to wait and watch how the investigation proceeds. CBI as well as forensic team of AIIMS have confirmed that, the kind of things those are being attributed to them should be slammed, and they have not given any statements to any media channel.
In fact, Piyush, stay with us. We'll also go across to my colleague Prakash Singh now joining us with more on this. Prakash, we have seen this is not the first time that the pro-Ria PR team has been on in overdrive. Even in the interviews that she had given to the friendly media channels, she claimed and tried to push the suicide narrative. And now AIIMS top sources telling Republic as to how media in a way should be responsible enough before reporting such facts, and they have denied releasing any kind of preliminary report as well.
Well, yes, the AIIMS, the medical board chairman has denied any such claims of coming to the conclusion of suicide, because the CBI has furnished them with all the details pertaining to the post-mortem report, viscera report, the ligature mark, as well as the sellotape report and various other forensic evidences that were collected from the crime scene. and they have not come yet to any conclusion because they are yet ascertaining all the documents that have been furnished by the CBI from Mumbai. And first they will investigate the entire papers, the original papers, the photographs, the videographs, if any, they have demanded, and then they will send a team to Mumbai to ascertain various facts and forensic evidences. They will also put up a questionnaire before the medical team which conducted the postmortem, and then they will come to any conclusion, and then they will submit the report. So the PR network of Riya Chakraborty is spreading a canard that the AIIMS has also come to the conclusion that it was a suicide. It's a false narrative, and that has been outrightly denied by the AIIMS Medical Board, what my sources tell me from the AIIMS. So still there are no conclusive evidence, but as far as the ligature mark is concerned, that raises a lot of questions. That's what the doctors are also saying. And earlier when I had spoken to Mr. Sudhir Gupta, the chairman of the medical board of AIIMS, around 10 days back, he had said that the crime scene has been contaminated, and it may be a very difficult task, an onerous task, to come to any conclusion or reality. Back to you.
All right, thank you so much, Prakash and Piyush, for joining us with the latest. So clearly the AIIMS sources, top sources telling Republic that there is a fake narrative being peddled by the friendly Riya media as well. And now they have clarified that they have released no such preliminary report, and it will take 2 more weeks of time for them to really release any kind of report on Sushant Singh Rajput case.